What is up, guys? And today I'm going to be showing you how to make more advanced 3D than the last video. I'm very sorry that I haven't been posting. It's been a lot going on. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna want to go to the costume editor, and I'm just gonna name this A with a dot, and then now it's dot A. Yeah, it's A with a dot. So what we're gonna do is, sorry about the noise in the background if you hear any noise, but then we're gonna want to make a square, whatever square you want. I would just make a square though. Make sure it's 64 by 64 pixels minus 54 by 54. There's 64 by 64, and put it in there. And as you can see, we have our nice square. Now we're gonna grab a one green flag quick. Sorry if the screen is squished. Forever, and then actually delete the forever. I forgot. It's repeat, and then create clone of myself. Then we're gonna turn 1 degree. Change the size by 10. Repeat 100. Set the and then set the size to 1500. Change the size by -10. Actually, -15. And then now, yeah. So as you can see, it does this little thing here. And then now, and then delete the outline. As you can see, we have this nice effect. You can just make it have one outline. As you can see, we have this nice 3D effect. And as you can see, it works. So, yeah. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a when I start as a clone, forever, and then we're just gonna when I start as clone turn. As you can see, it made this little effect, which we do not want. So, what we're gonna do is grab a make a block, and we're gonna name this block. We're gonna name this render, or we can name it setup. Gonna name it render, and then now put this inside. As you can see, it completely just renders it at medium. Watch. Just click on the green flag. As you see, it makes it immediately. Now we're gonna go in direction 90 when we do it. As you can see, it always stays the same. Then we're going to set the X and Y position. First, we're gonna start with X. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna set X. So, you divide by 100. So we're just going to then grab a multiply block. We're going to grab a size block. So set the size multiplied by, and we're going to multiply it by mouse X. So basically simply make this effect right here. She just did this, and we're gonna fix this in a minute by putting 500 instead of 100. Yeah, there we go. Now we're gonna duplicate this. Instead, we're gonna set X, put everything just at Y. As you can see, we have this effect. As you can see, you can do this with any shape you want, just like this shape. But there's another cool effect that we do in every single one of our 3D games. Is something very important to me. Take out the outline off of this. As you can see, it looks much better, but this is not what I'm talking about here. Let's just go over here and let's repeat 100 times. Wait, let's set the brightness to -100 so that we just change the brightness by one. Yeah, one. And as you can see, we have this little cool effect. So overall, it looks pretty cool. Just put like -80 and alright, -70. Alright, there. This looks way better. 250. 250. There, that looks pretty cool. As you can see. So as you can see, we have this little thing. See, and overall, just looks very cool. As you can see, and if you change the size by 15, you get negative. Doesn't do anything. This isn't right. Alright, so the next thing that we need to do, we need to change the size by 25. We have this cool effect, but we're gonna change it by 10. As you can see, we have this more better effect, but I guess 1 should be good. Now we're gonna turn this a little more, and there we go. Much better. As you can see, this is a little more better. As you can see, we have this nice 3D effect in Scratch. And you can use this with any game you want. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Whatever game you want to use this for, you could use it. Make sure to tell me anything in the comments that I missed, and I will make a tutorial, part 2 about it. I don't know if you guys like this game, but if you guys do, like and subscribe, because I'm really trying to get to 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers, I need to at least reach, at least. So, just please like and subscribe, and that will really help me out. So, as you can see, this just looks like stairs. But yeah, you can use different shapes and sizes. Like you can see what the scratch cat looks like. Top, bottom, side. Like I did these ideas already. I already posted this game, so you can see it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell if you want more videos like this one.